Join me as I dive into the mystery of the leaked 250g LiDAR drone and see if I can figure out what it means for the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most highly anticipated drones of the year, and rumors have been swirling around its features and capabilities. But one feature that's got everyone buzzing is the inclusion of LiDAR technology, which promises to revolutionize the way we use drones. Drones have come a long way in recent years, but they still have some significant limitations. One of the biggest challenges is mapping efficiency. Current drones struggle to create accurate maps, especially in complex environments. This is because they rely on cameras and sensors to navigate, which can be prone to errors. Another major issue is obstacle avoidance. Drones often struggle to detect obstacles in real time, which can lead to crashes and accidents. The inclusion of LiDAR technology aims to address these challenges head-on. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, uses laser light to create high-resolution 3D maps of the environment. This allows drones to navigate with incredible accuracy, even in GPS-denied areas. LiDAR also enables advanced obstacle avoidance, allowing drones to detect objects in real time and avoid them with ease. But LiDAR technology isn't just about navigation and obstacle avoidance, it also has huge implications for drone users. With LiDAR, drones can create stunning 3D models of environments, which can be used for everything from architecture to filmmaking. LiDAR also enables advanced features like Follow Me mode, where the drone can track a subject with incredible accuracy. Leaked photos of the Mini 5 Pro suggest that DJI has packed some incredible LiDAR capabilities into this tiny drone. The leaks hint at a 250g drone with a range of up to 10 kilometers, which is staggering. The drone is also rumored to have a top speed of over 60 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest drones on the market. But what's really got me excited is the potential for advanced features like point cloud scanning and scene reconstruction. If the leaks are to be believed, the Mini 5 Pro could be capable of creating incredibly detailed 3D models of environments, which would be a game changer for industries like architecture and construction. One of the most surprising aspects of the leaks is the potential for the Mini 5 Pro to have advanced AI capabilities. Rumors suggest that the drone could be able to detect and track objects in real time, which would be a major breakthrough in drone technology. The implications of this technology are huge. Imagine being able to track objects like people, animals, or even vehicles in real time. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities for drone users. So what does this mean for the future of drone technology? The inclusion of LiDAR technology in the Mini 5 Pro is a major game changer, and its potential to revolutionize the way we use drones is huge. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just a hobbyist, the Mini 5 Pro promises to take your drone experience to the next level. So what do you think about the leaks and the new features of the Mini 5 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest drone news and rumors, be sure to check out my next video for more exclusive leaks and updates.